The Metro Manila Police braces for all possible scenarios during President Duterte's second State of the Nation address. Rex Remitio shows us some scenes from the simulation that took place today.
Dozens of unruly protesters are attacking the police and throwing bottles and stones at them. They are trying to break the police formation to get near where President Duterte is speaking at the Batasan complex. In this simulation exercise, police create these scenarios they anticipate as they gear up for the President's second State of the Nation address on July 24th. Police show maximum tolerance, a policy they will implement during the SONA, no matter how violent the protesters would be. They will not use their guns or even canes. Instead, they will slowly move with their riot shields while dispersing the crowd.
Para ipakita sa kanila na talagang hindi naman ang pulis natin ang nangunguna doon sa mga violence na sinasabi, no?
Metro Manila Police Chief Oscar Albayalde says they will uphold the human rights of protesters. The police must read the Miranda rights of arrested protesters, such as the right to remain silent and right to an attorney.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Metro Manila's 5 police districts also showed their skills in formation of lines in a competition. From the double line formation when the militants are starting to get rowdy, the charging and umbrella formations to protect themselves from violent protesters, the single wedge formation to break a huge militant crowd, the arrow formation to protect VIPs, and box formation to protect themselves when worse comes to worse. So far, they have not detected any terrorist threat despite the mounted group's attack in Marawi. But still, about 6,000 police personnel will secure the President's SONA. This is more than the 4,000 last year. The police is allowing the protesters to get until the south gate of Batasan complex instead of only in front of Sandigan Bayan. Albayalde, however, is still warning protesters who will go beyond their legal limits.
Kung ayaw nilang pasaway, doon siguro magkaka-resistance ng konti.
Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.